One more thought about that West Indies 27 all-out catastrophe. This call for the head of Coach Darren Sammy. Again though, our cricketing woes would be easily solvable by hiring a top-flight coach if coaching was our problem. The fact is that coaching cannot get professional batsmen who average 15 and 20 and 25 to stand up and bat like world beaters against the most ruthless bowling attack in the world. Even if we went for a panel of coaches from Jupiter and Mars, these West Indian batsmen would have still struggled. So to get rid of Sammy will not solve our problems. We have a talent, temperament, and quality problem, especially with our batsmen. And all these problems are intertwined with a complexity of circumstances, with the insularity that permeates our region, and the cultural shifts in the focus of our people. And it's capped off by the evolution of the global game of cricket. Trust me, Test cricket in these parts will never be the same.